Companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta are now preparing to spend over $600 billion on AI infrastructure. That's not a typo, 600 billion. And here's the scary part. They're not even sure if it will pay off, but they're spending it anyway. Why? Because whoever wins this race controls the future of software, jobs, and maybe even human decision-making itself. At the same time, something else is happening behind the scenes. Quietly, rapidly. AI is already replacing jobs. Inside companies like Microsoft and Meta, AI tools are now writing up to 30% of internal code. Think about that. Tasks that once needed entire engineering teams, now handled by machines in seconds. And that's exactly why thousands of employees are being laid off. This is the shift nobody wanted to believe would happen this fast. But it's here, and it gets even more intense. Because while companies are moving at full speed, governments are not. The United States still doesn't have a unified national AI policy. Deadlines have been missed, regulations are fragmented. And that creates a dangerous gap, where technology evolves faster than the rules that control it. Now combine that with what scientists just achieved. Researchers have successfully built artificial neurons that can communicate with real human brain cells. Yes, you heard that right. We are now entering a phase where AI is no longer just software. It's starting to interact with biology. This opens the door to brain-computer interfaces, neural enhancements, and entirely new forms of intelligence. But also, risks we don't fully understand yet. And while all of this is happening, the AI model war is accelerating. OpenAI recently pushed forward with its next-generation models, while competitors like Anthropic and Google DeepMind are releasing even more powerful systems. But here's the real shift. We are moving from chatbots to autonomous agents. AI that doesn't just respond, but acts. And that brings us to one of the most alarming developments. An AI coding agent reportedly deleted an entire company database in seconds. No hesitation, no warning, no human in the loop. Just one mistake and everything was gone. This is the double-edged sword of automation. Unbelievable speed, unbelievable risk. Now zoom out for a second. AI is no longer just about apps like chatbots or image generators. It's entering industries that affect real life at scale. For example, Amazon is now using AI to design new drugs, potentially reducing years of research into months. In agriculture, AI systems are helping farmers predict crop yields, optimize water usage, and prevent losses before they happen. This is no longer future technology. This is infrastructure. And then there's geopolitics. Because AI is now a national priority. Tensions are rising between global powers, especially between the US and China, over who will dominate AI development. Deals are being blocked, technologies are being restricted, and ecosystems are starting to split. We are slowly moving toward a world where AI is not shared globally, but divided, just like the internet once was. So where does all of this lead? Simple. Three things are becoming very clear. First, AI is becoming the biggest investment cycle in human history. Second, AI is already replacing high-skilled jobs, not just manual work. And third, AI systems are becoming more independent, more powerful, and harder to control. This isn't just another tech trend. This is a fundamental shift in how the world works. And the truth is, we are still at the very beginning. The next 12 months will decide which companies lead, which jobs survive, and how much control humans actually keep. So the real question is not, is AI coming? It's already here. The real question is, are we ready for what comes next?